Dispatch Valley 31.
Valley 31, go ahead.
Yeah, I just came upon a two-car MVA at Sullivan and Trent. I'll be out investigating. Let's go ahead and add an ALS to this. Actually, engine 5, why don't you guys stay right here?
Dispatch copy,
Dispatch
2
21 in the area. We're dispatching in 311 around.
Valley 21 in the area.
And they continue north. Yeah, copy. We just connected. We'll turn. Dispatch Valley 21, did we have any additional calls on this?
We have one call. Valley 31, Fire Dispatch. Law advises they do have this call. They have it as non-injury. Would you like me to continue AMR?
All units respond to Trent Pines, lower and continue.
Valley 21 from Valley to 5. We just passed that MVA. Do you want us to continue or do you want us to divert from the MVA?
Divert to the MVA. Ladder 8, will you check west off the north?
Ladder 8, copy. Checking one. Dispatch from Valley 5. Go ahead and put us into that MVA at Sullivan and Trent.
I didn't see anything coming from
Dispatch copy.
training. 21 copy. That's the one lane. Southbound still open. Shouldn't need any other response.
Avenue and North Lincoln.
Dispatch copies, non-injury law has already been advised. State Patrol's been advised as well.
MVA Bravo, Valley Engine 5, East Trent Avenue, eastbound OFF, ramp, and North Sullivan
Valley
Road.
21 from Valley Engine 5.
Valley Primary, MVA.
Valley 21.
Valley 21, we're at Trent between Woodlawn and McDonald. There's a small trailer right off of Trent that has a bit of smoke coming out from behind it. We stopped to check. It's a smoker, charcoal briquette, and he's just doing a barbecue. But this could be the incident if you guys can find anything else.
Valley 21 copy. Dispatch Valley 31.
Valley 31, go ahead.
Do I have any other units responding with me or just notification of State Patrol?
Bravo call.
Law enforcement's been advised. Sheriff has no units available. Unknown on state. You have Valley Engine 5 with you.
Channel North Primary. All.
Valley Engine 5 can cancel. Also, if you'll let SO know, we're going to need 2 tows. We do need that.
Copy, all advised law.